Welcome back. While the Nifty is struggling around that 7,400 mark, few of the stocks are trying to stage a recovery. So pull up a BHEL, so that is rebounding from its 52-week lows. Adani Ports is putting up a bit of a fight. So Adani Ports should also be up for you on your screen. That is currently up close to, that stock should also be up for your screen. That's up close to about 0.6%. And in the mid-cap space, Imami is up nearly 1.5% to 2%. So that one too deserves mention. But let's get in our technical experts, Sameet Chavan of Angel Broking and Rakesh Pansal join in to talk more about a few of the technical trading ideas. Sameet, starting with you, Lupin is on your buy list.
Yes, Lupin as well as DV's Lab, those are our recommendation. Both these pharma stocks are clearly showing divergence. Lupin is on the buy side for a near-term target of 1790. Last week we witnessed a formation of a hammer pattern around its strong support zone. Couple of days back on the daily chart, the stock formed a bullish engulfing pattern, and since last couple of days it's been moving sideways. Considering the hourly chart structure and ongoing momentum, we expect this stock to outperform, and thus it can be bought for a target of 1790 and stop loss can be placed at 1678.
All right, then let's get in Rakesh into the discussion. Rakesh, Infosys, what a dream stock it's been this year. Thank God for it, otherwise you would have been maybe at around 7,300 odd. You believe that it's still a buying opportunity?
Good afternoon, Nigel. Nigel, definitely I believe Infosys is a buying opportunity. We have seen a big breakout on big charts above 1100 levels. I feel Infosys might be the first frontline counter to make a new lifetime high. It's an excellent buy at current levels. Place a stop loss at 1097, and in short term we might see a level of 1189 on upside.
What is the lifetime high on Infosys, Rakesh? How far away is it right now?
Well, just a minute. Rima,
Okay, we'll come back to that in just a bit. In the meanwhile, could you also tell us your sell strategy on Vedanta?
Well, Rima, if you see, we have seen a big crack in the metal space, and Vedanta had made a new 52-week low ahead of Hindalco and Tata Steel. We have seen a big breakout on big charts. Stop loss is deep, but the profit target is also very good. I feel Vedanta is an excellent sell at current levels with a stop loss at 82.75 levels for a target price of 58 on the downside. And if you talk about the Infosys, are around 1197, 1198 levels, and the kind of breakout we have seen on Infosys, Infosys might be the first counter to make a new 52-week high.
All right, then so that's what that's coming in on Infosys. But let's get back to Sameet. Then Sameet, you're looking to buy Lupin, but you're not so positive on Divi's Laboratory. You're looking to sell it?
Yes, Nigel, as I said, both these counters are clearly showing divergence. We have been bearish on Divi's Lab since it gave a breakdown from its triangular pattern around 1110, 1120. So this is just a continuation of that particular recommendation. At current juncture, it can be stop loss above 1100, and we maintain our target of 1020 for Divi's Lab.
Okay, Sameet, coming to some of these pharmaceutical stocks, you spoke about Lupin and a couple of the others, but what about Wockhardt and Marksons? They've been making some big moves. Are you looking, are you tracking the charts?
See, we have been tracking Wockhardt. Back, this stock gave a breakdown from its major support zone of 1500, 1550 with humongous volume. So that clearly indicates that at least in the near term the trend is likely to be downwards. Today it has tested its support level of 1150 and has given a decent amount of recovery. But we believe that on the higher side 1300 to 1350 is likely to act as a strong resistance, and we might see this stock trading with a negative bias at least for next couple of weeks.
All right, then, and I think we got one more pick coming in from Rakesh. Rakesh, you have a sell call on Excite?
Yeah, Nigel, if you see the technical structure of Excite, stock price is making lower tops, lower bottoms. In fact, we have also seen a negative crossover on the momentum indicators. It's an excellent technical sell at current levels with a stop loss at 140 levels for a short-term target price of 120 on downside.
Okay, so thanks gentlemen for that. Those are steel strips numbers which are flashing on your screen. It looks like a pretty healthy improvement, at least in the top line.